Today on Hillbilly Moonshine, we're going to make the hillbilly version of the margarita. We're going to use moonshine instead of tequila. We'll start out with 1 ounce of lime juice, followed by 1 ounce of moonshine, ½ ounce of orange juice, one teaspoon of sugar. We'll shake that up. We're going to get our glass ready. Use a little water. We don't have margarita cups, we use mason jar. If you don't have margarita salt, get you some sea salt. We're just going to dip that in there. Add some ice. There, our margarita. Cut us up a little lime for garnish. You know, we ain't savages. Most of the time. And there you have it. Moonshine margarita. I like that better than the margaritas we get down at the Mexican place on Tuesdays. You try it.